Hi, I'm Jennifer from Workroom Social, and we're going to talk right now about stitch length. So every sewing machine has a dial to control the length of your stitches. On most modern machines, the stitch length is measured in millimeters, and so we go from 1 to 4 millimeters. For most garment sewing, you're going to be around a 2.5 millimeter length. Another common length that you'll use is a 4 millimeter, and that's used for basting stitches. If you're sewing difficult fabrics, it's best to play with the stitch length and see what's going to work best for your particular project. And you can always refer to your sewing machine manual to see what they recommend. So you might want to use a shorter stitch length, like a 1 or 1.5 at a dart apex. I don't usually backstitch at the dart apex, and so what I do is I turn my stitch length down really far, and so that kind of holds the stitches in better. Anytime you're doing stay stitching, which would be a stitch that you do on like the neckline of a garment to help it from stretching, I like to do that at a smaller stitch length as well. So when in doubt, I would always go to a 2.5 millimeter stitch length, and that's a little bit about stitch length.